In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Cloudways. If you want to use something like blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com, you do not need to buy a separate domain. A subdomain is simply an extension of your main domain. But since Cloudways hosting and your domain's DNS settings are managed in different places, you need to connect them properly before the subdomain will work. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the application where you want this subdomain to point. On the Access Details page, look for the public IP address. This is the server address your subdomain will need to connect to. Copy that IP because you'll use it in the next step. Now open your domain registrar or DNS provider in a new tab. This could be wherever your domain is currently managed. Go to the DNS management area or zone editor and add a new record. Choose an A record. In the host or name field, enter only the subdomain prefix. So if your full subdomain will be blog.yourdomain.com, you should type only blog here, not the entire domain. Then in the value or points to field, paste the Cloudways public IP address you copied earlier. For TTL, you can leave it on automatic or set it to 1 hour, then save the record. Once that's done, head back to Cloudways. In the application sidebar, open Domain Management, click Add Domain, then enter the full subdomain exactly as you want it to work, such as blog.yourdomain.com. Save the change. After that, find the subdomain you just added, open its options menu, and set it as primary. This tells the application to serve that subdomain as the main address for this app. Next, secure the subdomain with SSL. In the same application sidebar, go to SSL certificate. Enter an email address and the full subdomain you just mapped, then click Install Certificate. This will issue a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate so your subdomain can load over HTTPS. That part is important for security, browser trust, and a more professional user experience. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Check that the subdomain appears correctly in domain management, that the SSL certificate shows as active, and that your DNS record is pointing to the correct server IP. And keep in mind that DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so if the site does not load immediately, give it a bit and test again, and that's it. You've connected your DNS, mapped the subdomain in Cloudways, and secured it with SSL. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.